Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness on your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S and you're looking to go ahead and adjust the brightness. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the Govee Home app, click on your table lamp, and then on the center, you can see that it says 40%. This is the check bar that you could actually go ahead and adjust in order to adjust your brightness. Additionally, you can click on the plus and minus buttons on your Govee Smart Table Lamp in order to adjust the brightness as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the brightness on your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.